Want to translate your videos into over 150 different languages with realistic voice cloning and perfect lip syncing in just a few clicks? Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today, we're looking at VideoDubber AI, an AI-powered platform designed to make video localization fast, simple, and incredibly budget-friendly. Whether you are a creator looking to reach a global audience or a business translating educational content, this tool aims to solve the headache of traditional dubbing. So, how does it actually work? VideoDubber uses two core technologies to keep your videos looking and sounding natural. First, there's VoiceParrot, which clones the speaker's original voice, carrying over their unique tone, emotion, and accent into the new language. Second, it features SyncPro for frame-accurate lip syncing, which adjusts the mouth movements of the speaker to match the newly dubbed audio. One of the best things about this platform is the flexibility. Unlike some tools that lock you in once the AI finishes processing, VideoDubber gives you unlimited human edits. This means you can jump into the editor, refine the translated script, swap voices, fix the timing, and re-export as much as you need without paying metered edit fees. When you're done, you can download your project as a fully dubbed MP4 or just export the subtitles as an SRT or VTT file. Now, let's talk about pricing and what real users think. VideoDubber lets you start completely free with 9 minutes of video translation, and you don't even need to sign up or enter a credit card to try it. If you decide to upgrade, their rates start at an affordable 9 cents per minute. As for the pros and cons, on the positive side, the unlimited free editing and the generous free trial are massive wins. However, to be completely transparent, we have limited independent user reviews in our database to verify long-term performance across different video styles. While the website claims high ratings on platforms like G2, we highly recommend taking advantage of those 9 free minutes to test your own footage and see how the voice cloning and lip syncing perform for your specific accent and video quality. Overall, if you want an easy, low-risk way to translate your content and reach a global audience, VideoDubber.ai is definitely worth a look. Head over to VideoDubber.ai to try it out for free, and let us know in the comments how your translated video turned out. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more AI tool reviews. See you in the next video.